All right, so I'm going to do this problem, 2i number 3, good hard one. You had something similar to this on the Google Slides. All right, so I'm taking the derivative with respect to x, and I'm trying to find y prime. All right, so there's two ln's here, and the derivatives are the same, right? Doesn't matter whether there's an absolute value. So taking the derivative of ln of y with respect to x, I get 1 over y times y prime. And taking the derivative of ln of x is just x, so I just get 1 over x. Equal. Okay, so taking the derivative of the trig function, I get cosine. I carry the angle along, and I see that there's product rule in here. So I'm going to start with the parentheses. So first d second plus second d first. All right, so now I'm going to take the time to distribute this to these two terms over here. So 1 over y prime, plus 1 over x, equal, and I'm going to put this in front of the trig function so it doesn't get absorbed into the angle, plus y times cosine of xy. All right, so I'm going to identify the y prime terms. Here they are. So I'm going to pull them over to this side. You just have to choose a side. And I'm going to move this 1 over x to the other side. Okay, so now I'm going to factor out y prime. 1 over y minus x. I'm going to carry this along. And then the last step is just to divide through. So y cosine of xy minus 1 over x all over. And then, let's see if that was what, oh, and then I just made a comment, all right, this is the answer, and on the homework solutions, I said, what you're going to see is sometimes we can multiply by xy and get rid of fractions. Just as you move further in other math classes, you might see this simplification. So if I multiply xy times this term here, I'd get xy squared cosine of xy. And then this times this term, the x's would cancel, so I get minus y. Over, and same thing here, multiply this times the 1 over y, I'd get x. And multiply this times this, I get minus x squared cosine of xy. Either answer is fine. This would be a completely fine answer, or this. It's good for you to know both.